Taurus, Sun, Moon, Rising, let's see kung ano energies for you ngayong September 2026 pagdating sa inyong kaperahan, money, career, finances. So, let's see. Paalala lang, this is a general reading, so pwede kayong makarelate, pwedeng hindi, just take what resonates. Another reminder, I will not message you or follow you para mag-offer ng services. So, mag-ingat kayo sa mga fake accounts and scammers. Kung gusto niyo ng private reading, just go to my website, mrqueenph.com, or you can book directly sa aking calendar link on the description or comment section. Okay, Taurus, let's see. Ang iyong kaperahan. Make a wish. Oh, yung ganda. 11-11. Oh, make a wish daw. Kung anumang wish mo ngayong September na ikaw ay magte-take action. This will definitely come true. Wow, infinity. Meron ditong unlimited opportunities. Wow. Unlimited opportunities. And also, merong forgiveness. So, maaring meron kang patatawarin sa trabaho or someone na merong nagawang mali sa'yo sa business or sa pera. But I think this is more on yourself na meron kang mga bad decisions in the past na patatawarin mo yung sarili mo. Kasi tapos na yon. As long as natutunan mo na yung lesson, then you have to move on, move forward, start fresh, di ba? Para hindi ka ma-feeling stuck. Let's see, your overall energy is the star. Oh, di ba? You will not lose hope. You are hopeful. Maring meron kang mga bagong goals, dreams when it comes to your career. And the star is like, di ba, wish upon a star. You are wishing from a star. Di ba? Let's see your challenge. Ano yung challenge ng mga Taurus ay kaperahan? Ayan na nga ba the devil. So, merong mga unhealthy habits, Taurus. Ito yung mga alam mo na hindi nakakatulong sa pag-unlad mo, sa finances mo. Na minsan, nagpapatalo ka doon sa mga distractions, sa mga unhealthy habits. So, it's time to be more serious in your life, in your career, business, para magpursige, no? Or mag-flourish yung goals mo. Now, your opportunity 7 of Wands, this is about protecting yourself, protecting your energies. I think, mas magiging aware ka sa mga dangers dyan sa career, trabaho, or business na yung mga, pwede kasi yung iba sa inyo, tinitake advantage kayo ng ibang tao dahil sa bigay lang kayo ng bigay. But this time, you will set boundaries. And then your blessing is the Ace of Wands. So this is fertility, nakalagay dito. Oh. So fertility is about productivity. So marami kang magagawa. Maaring may new beginning for you, like a new career, new business, new job. Something exciting is coming ngayong September sa trabaho mo, sa business or career or finances. Can also be an opportunity to travel. Divination. Lagi nalabas yung divination na yan. And then, charm. Uy. Yung iyong charm, yung iyong riz, yung iyong charisma, yan, you're going to use that to your advantage. Na, di ba, may mga tao na magaling magdala sa kanilang sarili. Di ba? Yung malakas ang dating. Yun yung inyong i-improve rin sa sarili nyo. And then also, be prepared sa anything na unstable when it comes to your finances or yung mga directions na iti-take ninyo. Just make sure na meron kang backup plan sa mga gagawin mo, sa mga ginagawa mong action, according sa mga goals mo. And pagdating sa cash flow, kailangan rin daw na maingat ka sa pag-handle para hindi masayang. Debt reduction, kung may mga utang, iwas-iwas na sa utang or bawasan na siya. Career transition. So, yung iba sa inyo, may magbabago sa trabaho. Maaring ito yung new beginnings, no? Yung nagta-transition ka from career to a business or business to career or different industry, no? Lumilipat ka ng ibang industry. Find comfort and balance in simple ways. You have support all around you. Yes, yung mga taong maniniwala sa kakayanan mo, if they are really, if they really want to support you, then definitely they will always be there for you no matter what. Honor your own time of harvest. Offer your gifts and blessings as service to the greater good. So, ito yung patience mo sa sarili mo. Patience mo na darating rin yung time na marireap mo yung rewards ng iyong hard work. You will be blessed, especially if you are also helping others, sharing your knowledge and your skills. So that is your reading, Taurus. Thank you so much. See you again.